Once again, warmly welcome to my career station family. Today we are going to draw these parts. So I am asking you to stop the tutorial and ask yourself how you can draw these. Then follow my steps. Go to new part, and I have to draw in inches as it's mentioned on the sketch IPS. Top plane sketch. Sketch what we have to sketch. This is a rectangle. I'm going to draw on, it's up to you, you can draw on corner rectangle or you may use center rectangle. I'm going to use center rectangle first, this one. Now its dimension is 32 by 64. 32 by 64. Okay, it is extruded up to 8. Features: extrude up to 8 inches. Okay. Now you can see on the left side it is flit of radius 6. So flit, no, we have to flit the only a side. Click on this and delete. Select this edge and radius of 6. Once check, yeah, it's radius 6. Okay, now it's done. Now you can see we have to first draw these, then or you can cut it. You have to make a slot. Select this face, sketch, Control 8. See, simple straight slot. Find the center point, midpoint, not center point, and make a slot. Okay, now this slot is off. This slot is off 10 and 10. So smart dimension, this is of 10. From here to here distance is 10, and this is of radius 5. Its radius is of 5. Okay, now it's done. Simple extrude cut through all. Okay, it's done. Now make this 25 height. First you have to make a rectangle of 30 by 10. Control 8. Select this face, sketch, Control 8. You have to select corner rectangle from this edge to just 10 by 30. Smart dimension, 10 by 30. Okay, and you have to extrude it up to, it is 25. Extrude up to 25. Okay, now this edge is flit, so make a flit of radius 10. Flit this edge of 10. Okay, now you can see here's a hole of 12 millimeter dia. Select this, sketch, Control 8. Select circle, 12 millimeter on the mid. Find the midpoint. First draw a circle, and it's 12 millimeter at height. Smart dimension, from here to here is completely 12. Its dia is of 12, and furthermore furthermore 12. Okay, it's done. Find the for center. Find the center of this fillet. So escape. Find the center of the fillet. Uh, Select this and this, or you can simply click on this. Find the center point. Show all. Oh, here's a mistake. Delete this dimension first. Find the center point of this fillet and place it here. Okay, now it's done. 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay, now it's done. So simply features, extrude cut through all or blind up to make a large value. Now you have to draw these. So for this, simple, select this face, sketch, control 8, line command from here to this edge, and this edge. Now you have to extrude it up to 6. Extrude 6, but it's going outside of the base, so select this reverse direction. Okay, and it's done. Change its appearance, it's up to you as usual. It's okay. Now click on this, click, select this and appearance. Okay, now it's done. As you can see, here is the sketch and here is your 3D design. So hope you guys can understand this tutorial and you can draw it by yourself. If you have any problem in the tutorial, or you have facing some issues in Solidworks, then you can ask me on comment, or you can directly contact me on my email or in my Facebook CAD station page. So if you like this tutorial, like this video, share to your friends, and also subscribe to CAD station. Thank you.